Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5100E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a 540M quick attach front end loader. Tractor has approximately 15 hours on it. It's practically a new tractor. The tractor has not been sold to an end user. It is selling as a used tractor. We are not an authorized John Deere dealership, so it is selling as a used machine. However, again, has not been sold to a end user. Tractor does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Double check the listing, but I believe that's into November of 2027. So lots of warranty on the machine. Again, right around 15 hours, so very, very low hours. Lots of nice options on it. Has the heavier 540M loader, 24-speed transmission, triple rear hydraulics, so lots of nice features on this machine. Global style carrier for your bucket connection. Has a 7-foot front bucket. Does not look like it's been used. Grill guard is on it. Paint's in great shape as you would expect. Still have the pips on the tires. Corner post exhaust. Work lights on front and back of the cab. 18430 rear tires. Again, still see the pips on the tires. Triple rear hydraulics. Top link and drawbar are both with the machine. You can see that there has been something hooked to the drawbar, but it looks like the 3-point arms have not been touched. Stabilizer bars on both sides. Just about as close to new as we're going to be able to find for you. Inside the cab, still smells new. Has the air ride seat, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching there, and then also has the 24-speed transmission. The power high-low buttons are located right there on your main shift lever, and the power high-low can also be shifted without clutching. 3-point hydraulic loader controls all located to the right there. Up top you have climate controls, rear view mirror, and sun visor. And again, practically new tractor. Check the listing for the exact warranty end dates, but I believe November 2027 is what sticks in my mind. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.